And we're live. Welcome back, gentlemen, to the Bitcoin market update. Sicker than a dog here today. Sorry about that. I'm going to make it real quick. But we got $125 billion on the total market cap currently. Had a little dip. But let's head over to Bitcoin, 3,824. This dip here was pretty awesome. Came down. Put a lot of people, triggered a lot of stops and then went higher. We're at 3,823 currently, and it did go down as low as 3,676. So yeah, that was pretty gnarly. What's interesting is that our RSI now, because of this wicked plunge and pullback, it's really pulled our RSI up. So it feels like we could get a golden cross. I know that's a glasses half full kind of analysis, but I do like how we're just hanging below that 9-day, and volume is still there. Money flow's flat. We're kind of waiting for the RSI to turn around. Now keep in mind, this thing could plunge, and it could plunge hard, so be ready for that. If you got stopped out and then bought back in right there on the top of the Kumo cloud, bravo. That was a smart play. We always get a little resistance right there on that Kumo cloud right there and below right here. So yeah, bravo if you got that one. But I'm currently still in it, and I'm just waiting. We'll see what it does. But we're agonizingly driving sideways, so let's see what it does. XRP BTC, boy, this thing, I'm going to stay out of it for now. XRP is below the 9, showing a little bit of weakness here. Volumes diminishing. Stay out of it. LTC, BTC, stay out of it. Yeah, stay out of it right now. You might want to set a stop on this on the way up in case it decides to blast. We can have that with that RSI golden cross. Love for you to make some wicked gains on the LTC BTC trade. That thing is awesome. It's always pretty profitable. So let's check it out. ETH BTC also on the downtrend. This has got me. Notice that Bitcoin is the only one that I'm bullish on. The rest of these I'm pretty bearish. There's not enough here to say let's jump in, but I do want you to have an Ethereum stop. Okay, so in case that thing blasts higher, take advantage of it. We could experience an inverted BART head here at some point. How about Bitcoin Cash ABC? Ethereum, we're going to stay out of it. Bitcoin Cash ABC, let's check this one out. We're going to stay out of it for now. Getting a lot of resistance here on that 50-day moving average right here. And I wonder if we're going to be able to punch higher. Stay out of it. Bitcoin Cash SV. Boy, we're still in a real funky time. I want to stay in this. I like this currently. We bounced pretty, took off pretty good off the 9, came down and then bounced off of it, traded sideways, and now we're getting some lift. It's really respecting Bitcoin Cash SV, is really respecting that 9. I do like that, but remember, set your stops to the opposite in case it wants to go way down. Bollinger Bands are getting tight. Okay, so usually when you get that squeeze in that Bollinger Band, meaning there's not much volatility, at some point it wants to explode either up to the downside or to the upside, and I'd love for you to take advantage of that. I have put down here, let's see, what is this? This is just some Fibonacci numbers where we could go if we get some crazy moon boy action. This would be your double top at the 1 right here from over here. But sometimes it'll pull up maybe to the 618, or maybe that's it. Maybe that's all we got. Who knows? But we shall see. Bitcoin Cash, stay in it. Tron, TRX. Tron is, you remember I was telling you yesterday about this sideways action and this dead calm where suddenly you'll get an explosion in price, either up or down. We're currently out of it, but we do have stop set in case we get something wicked. We never did give a touchback to that 50-day moving average. I would love to see that touchback and then a final breakdown. But you know what? Just because I want it doesn't, and it makes sense to me, doesn't mean that it's going to happen. So we'll see about that. Stay out of it. Set your stops. Theta. Oh, wow. Oh, my Lanta. If you own Theta, it's the gift that keeps on giving. I'm not FOMOing into it. It's just, I don't know when this thing is going to come crashing down. I'll wait for a pullback, possibly get in with a short stop and a cheaper price, and then run higher, maybe for a final leg. And when I mean final leg, I'm saying that we could go as high as the 618 here. You see how let's pull this out here. I'm not, don't ever quote me on Elliott wave, okay? But where we got in at, we got a 1, 2, oh wait, that's not Elliott wave. Come on now. Okay, so let's see. What if we do a 1, 2, 3, 4, and then a final leg up to 5? And let's readjust that like this. Boom. Could be something like that. Let's pull this back a little bit. There you go. And there you go, like that. So we could get a little scenario like this where we do a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I believe it's possible too that this is your 1 from back here. So you could also say this is your 1, 2. This is why I don't like Elliott wave too much. It's pretty subjective. So we could already have seen the top on a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 that way. But yeah, either way, there's a possibility, a potential of going higher. Currently we got maybe what is that? Is this a double top? No, not yet. But got a nice little pullback here. But it may not be enough. This thing is crazy bullish. People are piling into it, trying to get that free Theta coin, the mainnet coin, along with, I believe, 5 other Theta gas tokens, something like that. But we'll see. Stay in it. ADA, how's this one? ADA. Stay out of it. It's dropping down right now, and yeah, I'd love for us to actually be able to get down a little lower before going up higher. But yeah, we'll see. We'll see. Currently, we're out of it. ZEC coin, ZEC BTC. Stay out of it. We're still out of this one. It's been a little bit, and we just had a little popcorn pop there. It didn't really do much. ETH Classic. ETH Classic is still a sell, but creeping up there. I love the RSI running up higher. We need some more money flow, guys. Need it in a big way. But I do like 1, 2, 3 days of Ethereum Classic running higher. That's beautiful. That is really, really good. How about ZRX? 0x. 0x is performing. I was hoping it would do this. Yesterday we had some indicators say yes. I'm hesitant to get into this, but I will. Right here, it's perfect for getting in on the pullback. Try to buy it as close to the 9 as possible, and hopefully we get some continuation. Glad we didn't buy in up here, but I'm calling 0x a buy currently right now. Boom, and love this pullback. What a gift. So we're in it right now. Good luck, guys. How about set your stop though. If you get in, set it a little lower in case it just decides, nope, we're out of here. Popcorn, right? That's what it could be. Every time we do this, we have no idea. We're getting a little crick in the RSI, but I don't believe that till we get a full death cross and start rolling down. Dash is still staying ZRX. How about Dash? we're out of this. We're doing okay. Yeah, it's just trading sideways in that Kumo cloud, resting on that 100-day moving average. Crazy things happen in this Kumo cloud, so hang tight. It's still a sell. Love to get in on the next run up of Dash. Dash is a pretty profitable coin. BAT, basic attention token. Let's check this one out. Yeah, BAT. Thank you so very much. That is wonderful. Stay in it. We're doing well. We're doing really well on this one. How about Populous? Stay out of it now. Not performing yet. I'm curious if this wick is a possibility that we're going down to it. So let's say possibly to like that, right? It's a possibility. I don't know, but we'll see. Populous, stay out of it. OMG. Oh boy, what do we got here? OMG is a stand-it situation. We did wick hard. Wow, I better check and see if I got some stops triggered. I'm not positive, but it would be pretty close. We'll see. You know, I'm not great with numbers, so when I, have 23 different coins that I'm tracking in my mind, it's silly. Like, I can't even. It's all clowns and cats in my head right now. Plus, I'm a little sick today, so not doing too good there. How about you stay in it? And OMG looking good. And Neo 2. What do we got here? I'd love to stay in Neo right here. It's got a little breathing room. It's bouncing on that 9. I like that. It did close below the 9 barely, but we got immediately got an uptick up to the 200-day. So we're looking at more consolidation before a move. If you're in it, and I hope you have been, to take advantage of some of this, and I hope you took advantage of that scalping opportunity. I totally missed it. But if you are in it, stay in it, but watch that stop. XLM, Stellar Lumens, how are we looking here? XLM, we're going to stay out of this. Yeah, we're going to stay out of it. BNB, BTC, there we go. Little internet's trying to keep up with me because I'm so fast. Yeah, right. Okay, so what do we have here? I'm going to stay out of it for now. I need a full, we did rally pretty hard here, but I'd love a full open and close above it before coming down. If you draw basically a trend line here, it's possible that we're not gonna, go any higher than that. So we're right up there on resistance. If you do a stop buy, put it in above that line. That'll help you out. BNB, BTC, stay out of it. Oh, EOS, they had some bad news recently. Check out Bix Weir's video. Another nail in the coffin for that token. But hey, money's money, and it's coming up. How about we check this out? Apparently bad news is good news on this. People are digging it. People are so used to bad news on this coin, they just keep buying it. You know what? I think we should just hop in it. Yeah. I'm really excited about this RSI. It could possibly turn up. So let's, you know what? I'm going to let this one, I need to see that open and close above the 9, and we'll see where it goes. But I'm not going to get in it just yet. We'll see. But please set your stops. It could be a good call, getting in with a stop. How about Digibyte? Digibyte continuing its run up. It's had some good news lately. People believe Digibyte will rule the world. I saw that on YouTube. It was awesome. How about we stay in it and see where Digibyte takes us? Humanique. Humanique is still a sell, and it's the saddest coin in my portfolio, bar none. We'll just stay out of that. Proppy, PRO, and I can't even give it away. I gotta send it to people that don't even ask for it. How about that? So call me That's funny. All right, so we're gonna stay in proppy. It's still trending sideways, but barely up every day, just a little higher, a little higher. Doing good. How about we end it with this? Bitcoin, BTC, USDT, 3,826. We're still in it. Looking good. All right, guys. God bless you. I will see you tomorrow. I'm gonna go take care of myself and see if I can't feel better by tomorrow. Adios. I'm out.